Hey boo hey, welcome back to the channel. It's Megan Monroe, and today we are going to do an instant up down. This is like one of the most coveted hairstyles, and it don't gotta be too much. Like this, literally, if you own one of these, again, you can purchase them at getglamlux.com. You cannot necessarily purchase this particular version yet, but I do have them available in human hair. This one was done with synthetic hair. I kind of was like feeling creative, and I was like, let me see what I can mix up. Like I will go, you know, going to the beauty supplies like going to the grocery store for me. So I just started walking around, looking around, walking around, and I saw this hair, and I'm like, let's see what we can do with it. And I love it. It to me, it delivers. It packs a big, nice punch. So, and I just find like it's fuller, and it's gonna look super cute in pictures because I love it. So yeah, this will literally take you 15 minutes tops. Better that than like getting a sew-in and then it's stuck. And I mean, if you're like me, I plan my hairstyles to go with my outfit, so I wouldn't want to be stuck in this every day. She's cute, but I don't want to go to sleep like this. Like I take this off at night and probably figure out something totally different tomorrow. So that is why I love this contraption, the instant up down. I kind of came up with these. I can say I invented it because I saw different variations of it where it's like some clip-ins going up. Like, no, this is two pieces, a top and a back, and it's done, you know. So, and I came up with this during the pandemic, and of course, like I said, I offered them in human hair, but this one I just wanted more. Like when I shoot, I don't have time to be washing, blow drying, styling. Like I need it to be done, and I just keep her nice in the pack, and she bounced right back. Sorry, that was a rock. So yes, hope you like it. Let's get into it. I did not flat iron my hair because I'm using curly hair, and yeah, this is an instant up down, so this is to be done fast, not like take a million years. And so I'm gonna pull a little bit more. For this, you do not need to take extra hair out to cover. This hair is so big that it kind of covers it, but even if I don't be caring. You will really find, like, you know, some places you want to pay attention to like crazy details, and some places it's just not necessary. So I'm just going to do like 4 big braids in the back. And I'm doing 4 because my hair is super thick. If I'm in a super rush, it might even be 3. If I'm in a super rush, then we get into it. So I like to start on the outside and work my way in so that these 2 braids, like it'll be in the middle of my head and not like hanging out on the side. Bam! And these I just tuck up. I could have combined them, but again, my hair is so thick. Oh, crisscrossed it. See what we're working with. That is the back. Now time for the top. I love that spray. Shine Jam, you already know. She's my fave when I'm running out. I like to scoop out. This I could use some round gel too because it's curly. I may have to. May not. that piece out, take that piece out. Let go. And I just wash these brushes. Have a braid. Sometimes she be bugging out. You can wrap this into a bun. It just doesn't make it, like, to me, as sleek. It's like so much hair. Now the magic begins. This is so fast. Alright. Back piece. It has combs. It has, I think this look comby. Yeah, she's good still. Has clips. She is secure. So I'm gonna take this first comb. And put it right in the back of my ponytail. Like, it's in the part that I put into the ponytail. Got it? Now I'm just going to comb in the other parts. And then we have, I'm gonna pull it over. Y'all, like, it's done. Yep. And so I have a clip right here. You can see. I'm gonna clip her in. Reach in there. Bow. Reach in on this side. I like my clips to go down into my hair. It's another clip, I think, back here. I'm going into this braid over here. Yep. Closed. That's it. It's done. Clip to this, grab some hair. Grab too much hair. Yeah, I'll put that braid up in there. Closed. And then there's one final comb in the back. Put her up in. I use this spray for everything. So this one, I make these I make them using Get Glammed hair, and I also decided, I'm like, let me try with some synthetic hair, and that's what this one is. This one is, I think, the Bloom hair you can get from the beauty supply. It just delivers, and like I said, I own them in straight, I own them in human hair, and I wanted to make one, like I said, a little throwaway. But honestly, I personally feel that this photographs better than human hair. That's just me. But human hair I would take out of town, like vacation. Yeah, this is one of those packs. I think I used 2 to make this. I made it on the sewing machine the same way I make my other ones. And then I made the ponytail at the top. And you know, like I can sew, so I made it, this is a Velcro situation. Yeah. And so I'm gonna take my braid. I put a pin at the start of it. I put a pin, a hairpin. I'm just gonna pin it in there. And kind of pin it around a few times. Pinning it up there. Braid in the middle. You see it's so much hair. This is where it gets a little tricky. Because, I mean, you can pick up the hair in the back. Won't nothing happen. I'm putting this. There we go. In there. Flip this up so you can kind of see. And I'm just gonna wrap it. It's Velcro right there, so it's attaching. And there. Now I take this last piece that's attached. That's attached, and I am going to pick up some hair and cover the track. So I'm just gonna wrap it around, and you can kind of like spray it if you want it for sleek, you know, to be sleek right there. I really don't. I like the texture it adds. And then I'm going to bobby pin it back here. Okay. And I just, like, my braid is there, and I'm just pulling it down. And you wanna kind of, ladies, Dollar Tree. They have the cutest bottles. Yeah, this is like some wet and wavy synthetic hair. So you see what I mean when I said I don't leave hair out to like cover the back thing? Like you can't even see it. It's so much going on. This is, and it falls like this. The ponytail kind of like cascades here. Girl, you can't see all the way back there what's going on. And then I sew it to where the track, there's I sew it to where you cover the track, essentially. And so essentially, like when I go to sleep at night, I will just like take it off, and then, you know, I'll tie this down because these is kind of jumping stupid. Ooh, child, edulers. So yes, get a little close-up action. It's big, but I like big hair. So of course you know, should I add these to the, like they're already on the website in human hair, but I've really been feeling like the synthetic hair as of late, just because it's more cost efficient. It's more cost efficient. It delivers in like the look. You know, like it looks good in pictures. It lasts just as long. I can add them in synthetic. I may even like try to manufacture them because ain't nobody got time for, you just, you know, different things for different things. This was literally done in 15 minutes and it looks like I went to the beauty shop. Like, ladies, what are you thinking? It's like I retire and then give away all of my tricks. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this simple, easy tutorial. This wasn't, I didn't talk, you see when I talk a lot, it don't take a long time. Like it's not gonna be that long, but this is great. Like this hairstyle is good for anything. Like girls, this is popping. Like this could be brunch, this could be vacation, this could be date night. Again, it could be done in straight. It could be done, now I guess that's the drawback. Like in human hair I could like curl it. This can't be curled because it's already there. Well, I haven't tried though. You know, the girls, listen, I've been seeing the girls straightening and curling braiding hair. Who knew? Okay, so maybe we're gonna have to like play with some of that, but that is all. So thank you for coming to my channel. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and tell your friends, and tell a friend, to tell a friend. A new beauty guru is in these YouTube streets, and I'm coming. Thank you. Peace.